ChemSAFE Blast Resistant Building, or BRB, is available in multiple formats, each providing high-level chemical and blast protection. MineARC's in-house engineering capabilities also allow for a wide range of customization options, allowing the ChemSAFE BRB to be tailored to any site. Protection from toxic gas releases is a standard feature in all ChemSAFE products. Depending on the level of blast protection required, ChemSAFE BRBs can withstand up to 10 psi overpressure and still maintain 100% integrity against hazardous gases. The interior of a ChemSAFE BRB can be customised according to site requirements, providing a comfortable and productive environment for personnel while being ready for an emergency at a moment's notice. Perfectly suited as a drop-in replacement for ageing infrastructure, the ChemSAFE BRB protects against multiple hazards. MineARC's AODS provides an automatic flow of oxygen to occupants in an emergency. At the rear of the BRB, a bank of compressed air cylinders stands ready to pressurise the BRB. AURA-FX is a versatile, fixed digital gas monitor, specifically designed for MineARC shelters. Each AURA-FX can monitor up to 11 different gases, which can be tailored to a site's requirements. In this example, AURA-FX is also monitoring external gas concentrations. When utilised in conjunction with MineARC's Guardian Intelligence Network, shelter status including measured gas levels, backup power systems, climate and internal video feed can be monitored remotely from a secure dashboard. Adding personnel tracking allows site control to generate instant muster lists during an emergency. For short evacuation durations, our AirGen single-slot scrubber conditions the breathable air inside the ChemSAFE BRB during emergency mode. No other blast-resistant building supplier on the market can provide this high level of blast and chemical protection in a single product, giving operators the assurance that personnel are protected no matter the event.